Hey folks, I'm Pia, and I'm the one behind all these Pomodoro videos. And recently, I've released some Pomodoro minis. And I thought, you may have wondered, what are those Pomodoro minis for? Obviously, you could use them to just work for half an hour, but how often do you really need to work for just half an hour? I mean, I can think of some instances where you would want to do that. Maybe, yeah, you're not that motivated to do some really boring task but you can convince yourself to do it for just half an hour. Then you could use one of these sessions. But in fact, that was not my only intention. My real intention with these Pomodoro minis or Pomodoro shorts, however you want to call them, was that you could combine different Pomodoro videos from my channel to make your own custom Pomodoro routine. For example, maybe you want to start with 25 minutes of 40 hertz binaural beats to really get you into focus mode, because apparently that's good for your brain. And then you like some lo-fi music. And then maybe you'd like some rain sounds. Or maybe you've just been working for 2 or 3 hours with some of my longer Pomodoro sessions, but there's this little task you want to get done before you take a big break. That would be another use case for my Pomodoro minis. Just take another half an hour to get your task done and then take your well-deserved break. And a third and last example would be if you've listened to a Pomodoro with music for a very long time and you just need a break for your ears, then you could throw in half an hour of silence and then resume to your regular Pomodoros with music or sounds of rain and fire or whatever. I hope you now have some ideas on how to use these Pomodoro videos in a way that really enriches your work. And to make it even easier for you, even less friction, I will create some ready-made playlists where I combine some Pomodoro videos in ways that I think are very useful. So that's it for this little explanation. If you've enjoyed my Pomodoro videos so far, you're very welcome to give me a like or subscribe to my channel. That's very much appreciated. And if you have any recommendations or suggestions for sounds that I could use, or music, or other binaural beat frequencies, just leave a comment down below. I will look through them and try to incorporate your ideas. I'm really looking forward to that. On that note, have a nice week and enjoy your Pomodoro sessions.